Welcome back to another how-to video from White Trash Racing. Today I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on your Jeep Liberty. So right here we got an 02 Jeep Liberty on the lift, and I just did the fuel pump and realized that the fuel filter was right next to the fuel pump. So I'll come under here and I'll show you where it's located. Right here in the back of your fuel tank, you're going to see this one line right here that has this clip-on connection. That is the line exiting your fuel filter. The fuel filter's right here. There's one 10mm bolt right there. You're gonna have to remove it, and then you gotta disconnect that line, and then I'll show you up top real quick. This is where it gets a little tricky. If your fuel pump's been done before, you might be lucky because this access panel will already be taken apart. But if not, you'll have to get in here with a razor blade and some pry bars and open up this panel. It's underneath the rear carpet. You'll have to drill out a couple rivets on the side. And then you disconnect these two lines right here, and you'll see there's the fuel filter right there. Once you get those two lines done, you have to come under here and disconnect this line so that that fuel filter can drop out of there. And then after that, you just pull it on out. See what's hanging up on. It's hanging up right there. Anyways, push everything out. Right under there. Now that fuel filter. Oh, it looks like there's a little ground wire that was attached to this thing. Pop that off of there. So there you have it. That's how you remove and replace your fuel filter on your Jeep Liberty. If this video helps you guys out, make sure to drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you got anything to say, drop us a comment. I always like to hear your guys' opinions and what you have to say. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I realized that maybe you guys might have a little trouble disconnecting these clips. Pretty much what you do is you have to push down this tab in order for that little lock right there to go down far enough in order to come out of the connector here. So you push it down like that and it'll pop out, you see? Push it down and it'll pop out. And then once you push them both down, this will be stuck on there, and then that'll slide off.